Terror begins again.
What is up, YouTubers? Johnza here. Johnza Challenge is here, and welcome back to the Slime Rancher Only Honey Slime Challenge. So, I guess I'll go over the rules of what this challenge is. So, basically, I'm only really allowed to use honey slimes, but I am allowed to combine them with any other slime. But I can only own honey slimes, so I can't put any other kind of slimes in my ranch. I literally had to go grab their plorts and then give them to the honey slimes that I keep in there, and then, yeah. So that's basically what it is. We have honey hunters. We at least have 2 honey hunters. Funny enough, we've actually found hunter slimes pretty quickly. I was not expecting to see them literally that fast. We also got some boom plorts, which we can make honey booms as well, but we're saving that up until we can actually afford at least getting the slimes more comfortable, which I'm debating on hitting this because I just made it to morning, so they're probably going to be angry. Oh no, they're fine. Oh god, you guys are taking forever. Oh right, because I need all the other frickin' Well, I mean, as long as you guys are fine for now, I'm gonna frickin' go and grab more plorts. So I'm saving these bloom plorts for when I need them. Pink plort, please. Pink plort me. You eat fruit. Give me your phosphor one. Oh my god, he just died. He had his last meal and then he died. Man, what a way to start an episode, huh? At least I have a phosphor plort. We could make phosphor honeys, but that's probably gonna wait until we either get the cave or get a solar one. Or a solar corral. Because as you can tell, they die in sunlight. Oh god. Oh, hello. No! Mine. Oh yeah, you guys don't eat chickens. Can't even collect chickens right now. Someone hungry? Give me your plort. I wish I could feed you guys, but I only have room for plorts. I have no room for anything else. Alrighty. And I think before we, like, grab, like, make another kind of combination, I'll probably grab more, honey slimes to put in, to a certain pen first. I can't even grab tabby plorts, currently. Oh, did they be... Oh, despawn. Oh, there's... Oh, you're gonna die. Wanna eat that before, Yes, eat that before you die. Thank you. That helps. Because I know you're probably gonna die out here soon. They don't last much in sunlight. It's poisonous to their skin. Alright, there we go. Oh, I got dash boots. Okay, that's gonna be useful. So yeah. I feel like it's definitely gonna be tough at the beginning, but I think after we kind of get used to how we're doing this challenge, I'm pretty sure, like, it'll start going a bit more smoothly. More rock plorts. No? Okay. 5's fine, I guess. Got 26 pink plorts and not a lot of everything else, but you know, it's something. Might as well see if I can at least grab 3 more. Any kind of money is good money. And one extra. Unfortunately, we can't grab it. Yeah. Oh, we can get more money this way. There we go. It's not a lot, but hey, it's something. I just hope I don't accidentally get rid of my boom plorts. Okay, good. The mint mangoes are growing in. There we go. Now we got some cash. Alrighty. You guys are starting to get hungry. Don't know about getting you guys an auto feeder just yet. Let's see. Music box is $3.50. Give you guys high walls. Internet's also like cost a fortune. Alrighty, but let's start making the booms a little bit. So give one to you. Get that. There you go. We'll grab some of them. There we go. No, not the freaking small one. I mean, I guess they're better than nothing, I guess. I'll leave some of the boom ones, so, oops. Oops. Oh yeah, I think they just need the one more boom board. There you go. They might get out, but I think it's okay. If I can get that one honey, thank you. There we go. I'll deal with you guys later. But this should at least give us enough. I like how I started, like, the boom plorts I had starting off are literally the ones I finished having. Alright, there we go. Okay. So we're gonna get AirNet for you. Okay. Yeah, AirNet. And then for you guys, we're gonna put the music box on because I know that's gonna be much. Okay, music box. And then later on, we're gonna get the plort collectors. I don't really need a music box for these guys. They seem pretty chill normally. But yeah, anyways, let's get this next one going. I'm gonna give that to them. Then the hunter plorts are gonna pop out. These guys decide to eat the plorts. Do I have to literally feed it to you? Alright, I think, okay, yeah, we just need to get one for you as well. Oh, hi, how's it going? Okay, you ate it too. Nice, I need one more. Because I know, yeah. Fuck. Ow. No, my god, you ate the frickin' one I was giving him. Asshole. Oh my god, this frickin' angry ass one. There. Alright, I think the next thing I'm gonna do is... Oh, shit. Gonna start, like, working more on the gardens. But luckily we've gotten a lot of plorts now. Okay, that should be enough, plort-wise. That's all those plorts. You guys don't have any more plorts, do you? No. Alright. But now we should be able to work on, getting these guys more upgraded and stuff, more comfortable. I feel like the honey plorts are going to be marked down a lot, just because we're using them a lot. That's fine. Alrighty, anyways, we got a lot of money now, so... Let me work on the farm a little bit. I think the scarecrows will be fine without for now, but that'll make these grow faster. You guys seem hungry. You do. Okay, I can use you for more poop money. So here you go. There you go. But yeah, they're okay, so like, for instance, another explanation of how some like favorite foods work. Like honeys, for example, they like fruit, so they'll only eat anything fruit, and they'll give you one plort. But if you give them the favorite food that they like for instance, they like mint mangoes, then they will give you 2 plorts. So that actually helps out a lot. Nice. Okay, so now we have like 900. I could make another farm. I guess I can also kind of get the plort collectors and auto feeders going. I'm gonna mostly focus for yeast guys. Oh, it's 1,000 each. Just a few short, and I don't have any more mint mangoes. I used them all up. Maybe I can grab a quick plort by grabbing this roostro. Actually, wait. You guys eat meat? Okay. Here. Oops. Eat. I know you don't get. Yeah, see, like for instance, like the booms eat meat, but roostros aren't their favorite, so they only gave me 1 piece each. So yeah, there we go. We should have enough for getting you guys the plort collector and auto feeder. There we go. But now I gotta wait for this stuff to grow again. I guess we'll just leave that like that. I guess I can grab a few more honeys and put them together. I don't know if I want to just yet, but especially since I don't really have any money again. I guess what I can do right now while I'm waiting for things is to go grab some chickens. Go find chicken. I guess I'll grab some pink plorts along the way. Or just any plorts I find in general. I'm not gonna worry too much about that, but if I grab like chickens... Chickens! There you go. Because then I could give the chickens to the tabby Gordo. Be able to get some money that way too, so... Did you eat all the raw... God fucking damn it. I was gonna grab... Oh, there we go. Okay, never mind. Fuck off. Once again, slimes eating stuff they're not supposed to. You can get out of here. You can die. Because you're just eventually going to be ending up like a tar. You too. I think there's a chicken hiding... No, that's a pink plort. Is there a chicken up... No! No. Fuck you. Alrighty. I think I got at least as many chickens as I can right here. But let's go this way and see what else... It's starting to become night, too. No! Aw, you bastard, no! No! I got a stone hand. Damn it! Oh, it's good. You mother flippers. The one thing that's not so organized about this whole situation is how to get some certain stuff. Yeah, die. Go die in the water. Alright, I think stone hens are actually their favorite. You can probably tell. Yeah, because that one gave a heart, so that means their favorites are stone hens. I feel like the meats are the hardest to grab. I guess, I don't know. Just because they're like chickens too, so... Probably got some phosphor plorts on the way back, if possible. Yeah, and these treasure pods here, they just make them change color, which I'm not really gonna do, really. Maybe for the honeys, but that's a different story. Oh. Oh, the rock plorts. Sad. See. You know what? I will collect these pinks. Because, goodbye to the pinks. There we go. See? With the what? Phosphor? Phosphor? There it is. Eat. Oh, jeez. I saw the other one come out of nowhere. I'm like, no. Damn it. Can't really chuck any more out because I now have phosphor ones. Power Core 2. Interesting. Well, I don't have enough room to even grab any more plorts, so, ooh, Tank 2. Nice. Already getting some nice upgrades. There we go, got like 400. Those are still growing. You'll get your food in time. I'll definitely make another one when I have the chance, but I'm definitely going to need some more money. Speaking of which... Actually, in fact, hold on. Let me grab all the pinks that I can. Some more of the regular spawn. Or more of the phosphors will spawn in. Spawn phosphor, spawn! Well, now you're just pink phosphors. Take that. You eat? No. How about you? Will you eat? No. Where are the phosphors? You've ruined this country. Get out of here. You've ruined this area. Get lost. Why aren't you spawning more? How did the rocks get over here? Oh, well, there's a rock plort. So they just about to feed him, see if he would want one. Another pink. Where'd you come from? You hungry? Here you go. Yeah, you go back to where you came from. In fact, have your 2 fruits back. I don't need them. Or maybe I do. I could have fed them to them. Oh well. Whatever. There we go. We don't have any of those yet. I guess I can sleep for the rest of the night. Got some star mail from Cassie again. Sleep till morning. It's not that long, so... Yeah, they're pretty chill. Alright. Alright, got a bit of mint mangoes. Nice, nice. Let's get a hen. Interesting. Alrighty. Since we have a bit of money, let's make a garden. We'll at least put in natural soils, because that'll help it grow a little bit. There we go. Okay, geez, calm yourselves. There we go. Let's see, is it all but one? Yeah. Okay, there you go. Okay, and then we feed you guys. Okay, for you guys I still need to collect, but for you guys, I can do that. There we go. There we go. Now we're grabbing some useful plorts. Are you guys still hungry? Well, there you go. You gotta have a chicken now. See? That. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, someone ate the chicken. There we go. Good amount of plorts to keep this farm rolling. Yeah, it probably would have been easier if I just had to focus on one pen, but like I really just wanted the hunter ones as well, so you know. Yeah, everything's starting to be marked down. Where's the hunter ones? Yeah, everything's starting to be marked down a little bit just because I'm using it a lot. Except for pinks, surprisingly. I guess for the auto feed. Oh, we have a few more. Oh god, they're actually growing pretty fast now. Since you guys are growing. And we'll put you in the one auto feeder that we have, so, okay. So, we have that. I guess I can put some of them over here, I guess? Like the newer editions? Because I think I'm going to get the next corral. High walls, an air net for now, so we got those. I guess I can also give these guys... I should have given them an auto feeder, but I think that for now, just until we get more, I'm just going to get the plort collector for them. And for the rest of my money, let's see. Tank would be nice, but maybe... Yeah, I am still a bit short on that. Oh, well, maybe I don't have to take long at all. Looks like only 3 of them ate. Well, enjoy your mint mangoes. I heard that. Give me your plorts. Well, this is you guys. Yeah, give me your plorts. Thank you. I need the money, thank you. Yeah, now I almost don't have to really, like, go out there and grab plorts. I have them right here. Alright, there we go. Let's see. So I want this for that. And we can also get double tank, which is useful as well, so we can collect more. So grab that. Heart module is still a bit off. We have pulse wave as well, which might be handy. I'll buy those first chance I get as well, but for now that I have this whole area set up, I'm gonna grab more honey slimes, and then we're gonna see if we can go over to the rad, get to like rad slimes. I'll make sure to grab some veggies along the way. In fact, I didn't grab any chickens. I'm just gonna have to pick them up in this area. 3 of them just spawned. Okay, now I gotta worry about the plorts this time around. No! Oh, hello. Money? You're not money. I mean, you're a chicken. I really would. I really would. Bum decline. I want to save my storage. No. Stonehenge. Mine. In fact, you two die. Yeah, there's like no other chickens around here. All I found was that Stonehead. I don't even think there's enough, like, hens, but... yeah, you still need more. Whatever, we'll feed you over time. Okay. There's another little chest or box. There we go. Alright, be free, little rock slime. Be free! Yeah, I think now we can hold up to 40 per item. You know, what I really hope for Slime Rancher 2 is that they at least add, like, at least one more slot. I swear, that's, like, the one thing I don't really like about this game, is the amount of slots you have. I mean, you have 5, yeah, but, like, one of them has to be for water, which is okay, but, like, I kind of want more kind of stuff. I feel like at least one more, like, item storage would be a bit, like, easier, at least. Because it's almost, like, irritating what I have to do for, this. I'll try to go back the way I came, and use up these chickens. And not these chickadees. Oh, I see more. Stonehenge, too. Okay, get a review. And then I gotta grab honeys. I'll go back the way I came for honeys as well. I'll grab you. Alright, so grab a few honeys. Hopefully we get a bit of honeys. It's been a while since I was here. I mean, it was since last episode. Alright, goodbye. Goodbye. Okay. Number 1. I think some of them just spawned in too, so which is great. I will consider maybe like... oh, I'll grab some mangoes too. I'll probably like grab maybe like 2 more if I can find them. Those are honey plorts. I need more honey slimes. Are there any more honey slimes? Oh, hello, mister. Get over here. I think I saw another. Perfect. Because I think I'm going to put 5 for each, and since the other slime, the boom slime, you know, I can easily like combine the extra honey with the boom, so, you know, just so they're all even a bit. Well, I guess they're all odd because they're 5 each, but, you know. So, yeah. After we deposit the other 5 also into the other corral, we'll try to get some... well, we'll collect some veggies along the way. But, yeah. Now, normally you can't get out normally the same way, so you kind of have to make another route over there to get out the way you came. Because if not, you have to go through the teleporter, which I, for one, want to do something else. There is this area with a slime door, but I want to use my slime key for something else first. Okay, so here's how you do it, I'm pretty sure. So you just gotta wait for my energy to come back. Not here? Maybe it's over there. You know, I'll get over there in a second. Okay. Is it not here? Wait. Oh, duh. I think I know, but it's not around here. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. Ah, fuck. Ha! That was your first mistake. Jumping in water. Ha! Idiots. Okay, so I need to get up here. There we go. You're different. You're a painted hen or something. Well, not a painted hen. You're a different kind of hen. There's a treasure pod that we can't really open. I got this. There we go. A little phosphor. Enjoy that veggie. But yeah, I'll try to like grab carrots along the way too. But yeah, this brings you back up to here, so you know. You got all that. Which I could easily just plop, and there we go. We're back on track. And it's an easier way of getting, like, out than in, pretty much, but you can easily do that and save a slime key. I see you're still here. Don't know if this will be enough. He's not shaking, so I don't think it's close yet, but... yeah, he still needs, like, a lot. I don't know how much he needs. I don't see any more chickens besides the chicken to use. Alright, so we're gonna head back. In fact, actually, off camera, I'm gonna head back to base camp. Because we're also gonna end things here. Oh. That one phosphor port is still here. What a way to end off an episode. But yeah, in the next episode, we will go and make our rad honeys. And yeah, that'll be that. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this challenge video. If you guys liked it, press the like button or subscribe, do whatever. And make sure to check out the description for my main channel and podcast channel and anything else you find down there. And I'll see you dudes in the next challenge. See you dudes next time.